Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, in the dawn of the legendary event, the dragon that rules the sky, we have sync pair stories of two characters. We finished Kukui just earlier, and now it's time for Zinnia. So we're gonna do her a day with Zinnia. 2 rounds. The first round, I'll choose everything first option. Second round, everything second option. And with that said, enjoy watching. Hold it right there.
Yo. You could use some imagination.
Oh, she really likes that phrase, huh?
Seriously?
Okay, that was fun. Are you okay?
Seriously? I see. Hey,
Of course. I'm a yoga teacher.
whoa! Listen up.
What do you mean? And my duty is to become the best Pokemon cosplayer there is. And hopefully get recognized by Nintendo and Pokemon Company officially, guys.
Nice, real nice. Hey, I'm counting on you.
Guys, Zinnia has some really intense stares, facial expressions, everything. Her face just changes drastically. You know, it's interesting. She's an interesting character. I like her. This is the second round and second option, guys. You'll have to fight me first. Same.
Yo. You could use some imagination. Seriously?
Glad you're alright.
Seriously? I see. Hey,
I don't really think I have a duty.
listen up.
I have though. Wait, was this here earlier? Did that make you upset? Yeah, I think it
Nice.
was
Real
there, right?
nice. Hey,
Yeah, it's there.
I'm counting on you.
See, that pose is so cool. I'm counting on you. And then she changes to a very happy expression, then very scary one. Anyway, that was a day with Zinnia, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't. That's it. That's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we try and finish our legendary event as fast as possible. See you. Good night.